Yeah, what's up, Boxers? This is Zach Rizzo with Buildbox. I'm so excited for this announcement today. We are officially live with the Game Jam sign up. Okay, so you guys can all sign up for the Game Jam. It's not till June 1st. It starts on June 1st, and then it goes from June 1st to June 3rd. Okay, so you have 3 days to make the best game that you can, and it's going to be awesome. Now, all of the rules and the requirements and the descriptions and frequently asked questions, all of that stuff is on the itch.io sign up, and there's gonna be a link down in the description. You can click that and get all registered and everything like that. And then there's also a form that you're gonna want to fill out so you can get us your information, okay, so I can keep track of you. Now I'm gonna tell you a couple things about the Game Jam just so you guys can understand. So first off, what is a Game Jam? Okay, so a Game Jam is a 2 to 3 day competition where you just go hard and you try to make the best game that you can. Okay, so here's how our Game Jam is going to work. We're going to have a 3-day one, just like I mentioned before, and we want you all to use the Buildbox software. And when you submit your game, as soon as you're done with the game, all you do is you send in your BB doc. Okay, it's super simple. All right, and then also there's going to be a theme for the Game Jam so that nobody can cheat. Okay, so we're gonna announce the theme 1 hour before the Game Jam starts. Okay, so it's gonna be intense. Okay, as soon as we announce the Game Jam, an hour later it's go time. All right, and you have 3 days to make the best game that you can, and the winner is gonna take home Master Collection 2. And dude, that is like a super awesome prize. You're going to be able to have Buildbox for a lifetime. You're going to have Animation Box, Sound Box, Pixel Box, Animation Box. We've got BB3 Alpha 2 coming out soon. You'll get that as well. And all of these things are just so fun to work with. I think I forgot one, Voxel Box. Yeah. Okay, I might have even said Animation Box twice. I don't know. I'm just excited. Okay, so this is going to be a lot of fun. Now, let me just quickly tell you a couple things. Other than the theme, all right, you can do whatever you want. You can make the game and design the game in any style or any format that you want, any gameplay type, you're good, okay? Just the only thing you got to do is you got to make sure you incorporate that theme somehow into your game so that we know for sure that you didn't, start working on this game like weeks in advance, okay? Because that's not fair. We can't do cheaters, okay? And there's also going to be a second place prize and a third place prize, okay, other than the Master Collection prize for first place. So let me go ahead and just go over the prizes real quick in entirety right now for you. So first place, like I said, is Master Collection 2. You're also going to get a homepage feature. We're going to blast your game up on our homepage and brag about it and promote you out on our website. We're also going to do a feature on the showcase. Okay, so your game will be showcased on the Buildbox showcase page on our website as well. And we're going to do a social media feature. We're going to let everybody know, all of our followers know that you won and you did an awesome game, and we'll share your game if you want. It's up to you. You're gonna have the BB doc. You might want to publish it to the App Store or the Play Store and maybe pitch it to a publisher. I don't know, but we'll give you that option. We'll talk to you about it and stuff. All right, second place and third place prizes. So second place is going to get 1 year of Buildbox Pro for free. We're gonna do a showcase feature for you, and we're gonna do a social media feature for you. All right, and then for third place, it's going to be 6 months. So it's a half a year of Buildbox Pro for free, and then same thing, showcase feature and social media feature. All right, and we'll rate the games on best overall games. All right, and the Buildbox team is going to be the ones to choose the winner, and it's going to be great. Now, there's no fee, there's no money to sign up for the event or for the competition at all. The only thing we ask, and this is important, I want you guys to all do this and remember this and listen up, okay? To participate in the event, we really want you to share on 2 out of 3 social media channels, all right? We're giving you the options of sharing on Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. All right, so I think most of you guys have at least 2 out of those 3 social media platforms. All right, and so we want you to share a post just announcing like, hey, I'm doing this Game Jam, it's coming up in a month, get ready because I'm gonna bring it, I'm gonna win this thing, get pumped up for it. And then we want you to include a hashtag Buildbox Game Jam. All right, and that's all included in the rules and requirements on the Game Jam launch page. Okay, so you can sign up there and check out all the stuff, and if you have any questions questions, definitely look down below because we got the frequently asked questions section, just in case you know I'm leaving out some information or anything like that. All right, and then yeah, you guys can also email me anytime you want and let me know if you have any questions about the game jam or if anything's unclear, and I'll add it to the launch page so that everybody knows what's up. Okay, and it's gonna be awesome. So I hope you all join me. We've already got a whole bunch of people registered. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, so June 1st through June 3rd, get ready, mark that on your calendar because we're gonna bring it. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, we're having our first official game jam and it's gonna be great. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it here. I'm gonna get working on another tutorial for you guys. I'm gonna have that coming up here in a little bit, and then I also got Q&A, live Q&A. It's a training hour tonight from 4 to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, so you can join me for that and ask me any questions you like. I'm happy to answer. All right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get off here and get working. All right Boxers, I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.
Like and subscribe.